always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Let me in, oh, let me in my heart before. Let me in, oh.
So it's the morning before baby girl's birthday and the decorations are going up. The first thing I feel like you should do to get in the spirit of decorating for a party is to start with the biggest blank space in the room. The backdrop in this case being the wall, so I started by hanging up all the streamers. Her birthday is tomorrow. Today I'm getting started on putting the stuff up. Look what she's doing. Birthday girl. Yes, there she is. What are you doing? Watching The Secret Life of Pennant? Okay. Next, I shoved a little coffee table in the corner and covered with a disposable tablecloth that was color themed to the other party decor. And next it was time to focus on the celebratory food area. I prepared this area by setting out all disposable dishware, as well as odds and ends like the royal themed cake pop sticks that I ordered from Amazon and a Cursive One cake topper. Huge tip for baby's first birthday is to set out a money tree and let the guests know ahead of time that it will be available to kickstart a college fund. For tomorrow, I've got the cake and cake pop area set up. It just says happy birthday on the wall. Then I've got her money tree. I've got necklaces, say happy birthday for the adults. Silverware, got the different cups. These little pockets are where I'm gonna put the treat bags. There's only 3 that I need to fill up. This is her thing that goes in her smash cake. And what I'm replacing the sticks and the cake pops with. Okay, and then I've got some purple rock candies and the thing for her cake. I've got this big banner that says happy birthday tied to a curtain rod. Then we have these loot bags I purchased from Wally's Party Supply for the guests' party favorites. So I have this little doodle for one little girl. And this will be her hat that she's gonna wear. So I'm putting that in there. Giving her a purple whistle. These are just little things to keep them from being idle, so let's give her 2 of those. And then I have these whistles. So I'm gonna give her a different one, but give her some of those. This was a fun trinket for my best friend's daughter who likes unicorns, along with some smiley face candy, a flip-flop lollipop, and some Miner's Gold gum. I'm putting this in this loot bag for my best friend because she literally is a bride-to-be currently. And I put the silver whistler in there for her. And a pink, yellow, and blue smiley face. In the other little girl's treat bag, I'm putting the little shirt that I got her, these cute earmuff headband, giving her a sash so that she can wear it while my daughter does her smash cake. And then she's also getting this hat like my daughter's. My daughter's gonna wear the other one. Fluffing up these pom-poms took more or less until 4 o'clock in the morning, but the end result was so fulfilling to look at. To kickstart the sugar rush for the day, I put a variety pack of candies in this adorable tiara piñata that I purchased from Amazon. I actually saved most of the bubble gum for us, but they still got the good stuff. The airheads, the sweet and sour worms, the warheads, all for them. I went ahead and put all the parts to baby girl's birthday outfit all in one spot so that I wouldn't be too flustered trying to get her dressed the next morning. But the funny story is that I actually lost her birthday shirt at the last minute and could not find it until right before the party. the thing for her smash cake, and I've got her high chair set up if she doesn't pull it down. And then this tablecloth is going to be on the floor as like the flooring for her and her friend. And baby girl just wants to pull these. Then I just added this 12-month banner that I got from Amazon to display my favorite picture from each month of her first year. Finally, with everything set out, it was time to get some shut-eye and prepare for the celebration of the birthday girl.